Mosquitoes love to crash your outdoor activities. Check out 5 tips to keep mosquitoes out of your yard. 1. Minimize moisture. Mosquitoes lay eggs in standing water. Prevent these pests by repairing leaky hoses and spigots. Keep your gutters clean. Remove items where water collects. If you have a pool, don't let water build on the cover. 2. Clean your yard. Mosquitoes like shady places to hide. Mow your lawn and trim vegetation. Remove leaves, grass clippings, and piles of branches to reduce potential hiding spots. 3. Protect your patio and deck. Enclosing your patio or deck with a mosquito screen can help keep mosquitoes away. Mosquitoes don't fly well when it's windy, so consider installing an outdoor fan. You can also use a plant-based insecticide spray like our Mosquito Fogger. It kills mosquitoes on contact and provides residual repellency. 4. Plant bug-repelling plants. Some plants drive mosquitoes crazy with their scent. Citronella, rosemary, thyme, and mint are said to repel mosquitoes. 5. Create a protective barrier. Spraying your yard with a plant-based insecticide can help prevent a mosquito problem. Our mosquito and tick killer and our yard bug spray kill mosquitoes on contact. They also have repellent properties that act as a barrier, helping to deter these pests. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.